So this is how you attach the lights. I've got it at the final part, but hopefully it will make sense when I explain how you attach the lights. I've got the system here so that I can actually move this. I've attached one of these W's to the chain, fed it through the hole. It's gone through the hole and then through the left-hand hole of the lighting frame. Through there, I've used a clothes peg, so it's about 3 centimeters down, all the way along, and then in through the outer hole on the right hand side, and then up through and out, and then I've attached another W with a metal clip, and then clipped the trim of the chain, so the chain is now there and secure. And then I've fed through the last 3 LEDs until I get to the 4th LED, which I've then taped in place there and bent round. I've fed the LED wire through the left-hand hole of the lighting frame, and you'll notice there's a little notch there. That's important. Make sure that's on the left-hand side. And then I've folded this wire, although it's delicate, it's quite hardy. So I folded this backward and forward and then given a little twist so that the LEDs are fairly well spread. I've got 2 there together and a 3rd that I'm just going to move around so that it's the other end. And when that's in place and I'm happy with that, I'm going to attach the greaseproof paper around the edge. There are clear photographic instructions for this element of the procedure within your instruction books, so don't be afraid.